This is Star with Star Aromas Designs, and we are going to be making some earrings using the Jesse James Beads Dark Academia Mix. I used this bead and this bead out of there, and also the School of Magic Wise Raven bead. And then this is from my previous Jesse James beads in my stash. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire. You're going to need round nose pliers, some bent nose pliers, and some flush cutters. And you are going to need the Dark Academia Mix by Jesse James Beads and a cone bead of your choice. You can use a cone bead, or you can use something that looks like this. It's another bead cap of some kind. You can use whatever you want to make these. This is just what I chose to use. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on, well, that's not good. They're not even in the middle. Okay, I didn't see that before, but we will work with it. My hole is not in the middle. So, it is what it is. You go with what you got. So we're just going to feed it on just like this. We're basically going to be making our own head pin. And I've been doing that a lot lately. I like the look of it. And that way you don't have to, use a head pin or anything like that. Anyway, you're going to take your bead. You're going to pull it down. And you're going to use your short wire and come up the back. And you're going to hold on to it with your finger to hold it tight. You're going to take your short wire and pull it to the front. And we're going to wrap around this one right here. We're just going to wrap around it and pull it kind of tight. And I'm using my fingers because this way you can guide the wire a little better if you use your fingers. Okay? And we're just going to wrap a few times, pull tight, and then go to the back. And then that's where I'm going to cut it off, is on the back. Just like that. And then we take our pliers and we squish in our tail. Okay, there we have that. We're going to use this wide hole bead, pony style bead from the Jesse James Beads Academia Mix. And we're going to squish it on there, just like this. Okay. And then we're going to take our barrel bead that I pulled out, the black barrel bead, and slip it on, just like this. And then we're going to take our cone bead or whatever bead that you choose to put on the top. And we're going to do just like that. And then we're going to use our pliers. And you're just going to come up. You're going to leave a little space right here. And you're going to bend it over. That way you have a little space to put in your round nose pliers, just like this, to make a loop. Now we're going to do wire wrapped loop, okay? So you're going to come up and over your pliers and down. Release. And rotate your pliers. We're not taking our pliers out of the wire. And then wrap on around. Just like that. So we have something that looks like this. Okay. I keep my pliers in there. And I wrap around. I do it two different ways. I keep my pliers in there and wrap around. Or I hold it like this and wrap around. It's just whatever your preference is. And I use my fingers to wrap around. And we're just going to go to the back. And just like that. Okay. So there we have that. We cut it off with our flush cutters. And squish it down so that it's not poking or jabbing. And there you have it. Okay. Then all you're going to do is you're going to take some ear wires. Let's see. Some ear wires. We're just going to take and we're going to open our ear wires up. Remember, open towards you or away from you. Let's see if our loop is correct. Our loop is not. So, our loop is like this. And we want to see the front of our earring, right? So, what you can do is you can take and you can hold right here. And you can take some pliers and hold onto your loop. And you're going to twist your loop. So your loop is facing the front. Then we try it again. You put it on. and then it'll sit like you want it. And you close up your ear wire, and there you go. There's one. This one is the same way, so we're going to have to do the same with it. We're going to turn it to the side and grab a hold of our loop, hold our bottom, and twist. Just one twist. And then you'll have the loop facing this way. Okay? There are easy fixes when making jewelry. If something is not turned the correct way using wire, just manipulate it. Turn it around and it'll work. That's all you have to do. So now we have this. Okay? So that was a quick pair of earrings. It did not take very long to make them, and look how cute they are. Perfect. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Share the video. Subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. And I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. You were born to shine. I love y'all. I will leave links down below. Go check them out. See y'all next time. Bye, y'all.